We are awake.
We are ready.
We got cookies.
And we're going to see the Puffins.
Puffins!
The plan for today is we are going to drive around the coast on the north side. And we're going to stop at a turf house. And then after that, since we haven't seen any puffins up close on this trip yet, we decided that we are going to
A tour in a way to see a puffin because we want to guarantee that we could see puffins.
Yay! We found the turf house. I'll show you the green grass roof. There it is. Yay!
Not even 8 a.m. yet. You guys are up nice and early.
We have arrived in Stykkishulmur and we booked a puffin tour. So that's in a couple hours, so we're just waiting. And we're just gonna walk around and explore the town. It's very cute. There's lots of cute little houses, and then there's like a harbor with lots of boats. Hi everyone!
Hello.
We got some
Brother.
Icelandic Viking beers. They're called brother and sister, and they go together. So we're gonna try these two. And
Traditional.
our hot dogs. Cheers!
We bummed wieners.
So I know we ate hot dogs already, but we just got them with everything, so we get the full experience. Oh, this one's really lammy.
There's ketchup and like Icelandic mayo. And then there are onions. There's normal onions and crispy onions. And on top there's whatever this stuff is.
I think it's the remoulade.
I think it's like, could be considered as like a mustard, but like not at all.
It doesn't taste like mustard, but I guess it's the same effect.
If you smell it, it has a little mustardy tinge. But then it tastes like not at all.
Yeah, it tastes like you just have to come to Iceland and eat it.
Oops. So we booked this boat tour, and I checked the weather in Reykjavik, which really isn't that far. And I was like, oh, it's gonna rain, but you know what? It's okay, because puffins, I don't care. I'll do puffins in the rain, I'll do puffins anyway. And now we're here, and look at this.
It's like probably like the nicest weather.
The whole trip.
Also, what I'm really excited about is that the tour comes with Viking sushi. So whatever they catch while we're like out on the boat, we just like eat it. So there's gonna be like scallops, and they said like sea urchin and other things. So that'll be cool to try. So now let's try the sister and brother beers.
1, 2, 3. Cheers.
Hello.
Hi. It's good.
That's good.
I like the sister.
So this is a milkshake IPA. What's that
And
one?
this is a Bloda Pelsinju.
Bloda Pelsinju.
A milkshake IPA.
Milkshake
K3.
IPA. I like that.
I like that too. I like that one better.
This one's more like summery. I think I like this one.
Great. Well,
We've
now we
chosen.
know.
I'm the brother.
I'm the sister.
We're on a boat.
I'm on a boat and
We're gonna see the puffins. We're gonna see the puffin dance. from the ocean.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
No. Do I use my fingers?
I guess so.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Yummy.
Oh, I like it. It's like an oyster, but like a scallop.
But if you don't have a pair of scissors, this is how you do it. That's how we used to do it in the old times before we had the pairs of scissors. So then you need to empty it because it's full of shit. Normally you need to cleanse it with water, and then what you do is you pull out only this. And this is the egg. This is the egg, and you can taste it. Here.
Oh, really?
Yep, absolutely. There you go.
Thank you very much. We're gonna taste sea urchin.
It's good, huh?
Salty.
I like that.
Sweet.
It's sweet,
cool.
and it's like oysters, but yummier.
It starts off salty and then it gets really sweet all of a sudden.
Yep.
Yeah, it gets
Exactly.
really sweet.
I like it.
I like sea urchin.
I like it.
Fantastic. Let me.
Wow. Yeah?
Well,
Here, Jamie Fox.
Is this for my first time doing this?
Her first time doing sea urchin.
okay. You really have to go around, not in the middle, but further out. You have to hit about here.
You're doing great.
Thank you. Oh, we're leaking it. Can I do it? So this stuff goes through food.
That goes out. Bye.
Bye.
No worries.
And then you look inside, and the yellow is the eggs.
That's bad. The yellow's the egg?
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh,
It's the yellow one that you want to use.
it's the yellow one.
Yep. Sometimes it's orange, sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's even brown.
this is what I
That
want.
doesn't mean
Yeah,
that it's
eat it.
bad, even when it's brown.
You did it.
That's good. Hello, everyone. We're in Kirkjufell.
Yeah, Puffin dance 5, 6, 7, go. Yeah. Driving, Puffin, dance. Fast feet, go.
Hello, everyone. It is currently 9 p.m. Can you believe it? It's been sunny like this the entire day. I haven't seen a single cloud. Anyways, we're still in Snæfellsnes. We're in the Provincial Park at Londrangar, and we're just walking towards this lighthouse. And it's very nice. It's like you hear the ocean. There's grass on the ground here, which seems kind of rare. There's like dandelions. It's like a whole other part of Iceland. Again. Don't have a gym, all you gotta do is do whalebone squats. We're going on the Viking ship, We are on the Viking ship.
Ready?
Yeah.
Puffin dance. Do, 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 do. Ah!
So we've just exited the National Park of Snæfellsnes, and there's this like abandoned house like just right outside it. So we decided to stop here before we camp for the night. Also, it's like, what time is it? Like 10:30?
11.
It's 11.
11 p.m.
11 p.m. Let's go inside.
Like, what was this room?
Whoa. Oh, that's Nova.
Okay, I'm volcanoing. See?
It's just like an empty frame. In like a volcano. Huh. I thought that was a bra at first, but it's just two rocks and sand. There's a lot of glass here. And there's stairs to go upstairs. So you can get a view from up here. Cool. This would have been nice actually. You get the mountain over there, you got the ocean over there. I wonder what happened to this house. I assume something to do about a volcano. Ooh.